Everybody, thanks for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We've made it past our 1,000 subscribers finally, so every view and everything counts. Like I said in the other videos, cash off the channel goes towards the cars, and everybody that wants to watch helps us grow. So for those of you that are new to the channel, you wouldn't have seen my buddy's Mustang yet, but go back, check out a couple of those videos I've got on here. So far we've lowered it. Recycle bin in front of your car so you don't hit it. And just like that, I tried to put wheel spacers on and it hasn't worked. And now basically he's ordered new rims. So the wheel spacers were just a temporary fix while he waited for the new wheels and tires to get here, but they didn't end up working, so he just suffered for a little bit. But luckily for him, the wheels are in. So right now they're at the shop getting the rubber put on. So we're gonna go pick those up, hence the Pathfinder in the back of the garage. And we'll bring him back here, show you what he got, because they're Velgen, not 100% sure how to say it, but I'll go over the wheels. I'll put the actual model or whatever you want to call it in the description, because I know they make a bunch of different rims and I'm not 100% sure which one it is, but I'll throw it into the description if you're interested in the same rims. We'll go over his offset that he chose, how it looks on the car. I'll show you the new rubber that he's got on there. And yeah, I know he's got 305s on the back and I believe 375s up front, where if you look at my car, flip you around here. If you're new to the channel, this is mine. But I have the stock wheels with spacers on mine still because I don't have Magnarides, so they worked. You can see it's 275s in the back. Still not a small tire, but you know, with the amount of power these cars make now, the wider the better. And if you got the cash to get some actual wheels, spacers, you don't want to run them forever. It's just a temporary fix, like I said, until you can either afford rims or you just decide screw it and take them off. So this one is 255 up front, 275 in the back. His is going to be 275 up front and 305 in the rear, so it should look pretty sweet. Sit pretty close to how my car sits, but for now we're gonna empty out the back of the Pathfinder so we can fit everything in there, and we'll bring him home, show you what he got, show you what he did, because I know they came in a gunmetal originally, but he got them painted a matte black. Just with the white car, the black looks a lot better. So yeah, we will get everything ready to go. Just waiting for him to show up, swap the cars out, head over there, grab the wheels, get back here and get them on the car, show you guys what it's all about. Right guys, we're back home. Here you go. These are the new meats for the Mustang. Velgen, you can see. Got some new Pilot Sports on there. Brand new. Here's a little comparison. That's your stock performance pack, 19-inch. These are 20s by 305. You can see not too big of a difference, but you definitely get a little more meat in the back. Neighbors complaining about my car. Now that I know he watches, we'll put this in. Just so you guys know I'm not nuts, neighbor's got a nice STI there, and it's just as loud as my Mustang. But back to this video. If you look here, you got your 305 30 by 20s. These are your fronts, same thing, your Pilot Sports.
Come down here, wherever it is, there you go. You got your 275 3520s up front. You got your 8 spokes. They did come in a gunmetal gray, but he got them painted black because they don't make a matte black version of this, so it looks really good. We'll get them on the car and I'll show you what they look like. Alright guys, there you have it. Hopefully the wind and traffic isn't too bad. Decided to get super breezy here all of a sudden. Don't know what's going on, but as you can see, they're on. And this is a 10.5 in the back. Like I said, 305 Pilot Sports. Offset back here is 48. One other thing to note, you can see he added different nuts here because the other ones are just slightly too fat to fit in that hole and tighten the wheel down properly, your stock ones. So if you get the Velgen wheels, you need to take into consideration that your stock nuts will not work. But yeah, like I said, 48 offset in the back, it's 32 up front. Same thing. You can see a little bit more space in between your calipers now. This is a 9-inch wide rim up front, 10.5 in the back. Makes the car look all pretty. You could see, could come out just slightly in the front still, depending how you like your stance. The back is pretty dang close to where it should be. It's easier to see from the back of the car here. You can see that's pretty much flush with the fender. Yeah, that is them. Makes the car look much more aggressive. And like I said, these were the gunmetal color originally, but he painted it with this matte black finish. It's actually an engine paint, so it went on really nice. Dries super quickly. Looks pretty good. In my opinion, black looks a lot better, but it's definitely a hard choice when you're picking out rims. And then it might be a little hard to see, but it definitely has got some more meat in the back now with the 305s on there. So when you got a hook, you should have plenty, especially with the brand new set of Pilot Sports on there. She will be ready to go. One more look at the front. Like I said, your calipers got a little more space in there. Get the camera in. You don't have to worry about any sort of rubbing. Everything fits good. You should be good to go. Well, there you have it guys, back in the Pathfinder. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know if you're in the market for rims, maybe the same ones or different ones, just looking for offset and fitment wise and stuff like that, hopefully this helped you out. I think they look really good. We'll have to start looking at a different set for my car possibly. And yeah, just let me know in the comments what you think, and hopefully this helped you out like I said. So like always, thumbs up, subscribe, and we will catch you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching.